Hi, welcome. I am so glad that you're here today. And today I hope that you can join me as we transport into a mindset of beauty and wonder, where we can use images like windows into aesthetic harmony and find an inherent connection from beautiful images to our Creator. From deep hues to delicate petals on a flower, the profound beauty of the world is all around us, and it's begging for us to find it. I'm so excited to share this kit with you guys. I've just been on a journey of exploration and just looking at things in a beautiful way that maybe it was meant for, maybe it wasn't. I hope these images inspire you like they've inspired me. As we're looking at the ephemera, I will let you know that it is printed on 110-pound cardstock, bright white. I use a laser jet printer, or a laser printer, I should say, not an inkjet. The images that I've gathered are images that carry fragments of our Creator. I feel like they help to find a connection to something that is greater than ourselves. And I know for me, they filled my heart with appreciation for the beauty that is all around, that surrounds us. From the beautiful landscapes that we see outside to every little detail of God's wonder, harmony, and beauty. These are the background papers. And then after, sorry for spinning that. After, I will show you how I printed them on other substrates. These are all printed on copy paper, 22 to 28 pound. These two prints are these roses, and you can see here that this is more of a kind of a khaki green, and this is more of a grayish color. I have this print in 3 different colors. I have it in black and white so that you can print it however you want. You can print it on colored paper, which I'm going to show you in a minute. I have it in this khaki tone as well as this like kind of olivey brown tone. Adding grunginess to florals that are so delicate in nature, but then when you add kind of that grittiness, it just makes them pop. Those two are similar prints. with different background colors. Start with this print. So this is printed on the bright white cardstock, and then I printed it on newsprint paper. When I print on newsprint, I like to print at draft, so meaning it's not the best quality, it's kind of like the ink saver. And it definitely resembles like a newspaper. But I love the kind of ethereal quality that newsprint gives something. Especially like a beautiful image like this that has a lot of detail. Speaking of draft printing, this is the print at the best resolution, and then this is the printed fast draft. So depending on what look you're going for, if you're looking for more of a dreamy feel, then this is a great option for you. This piece here is printed on copy paper, so you can kind of see through it. And this is printed on cardstock. And I believe that this might be on no, I think it's actually regular print. But you can see, depending on the papers you use, you're going to get a little bit of a different look to it. And then I wanted to show you this image printed on manila colored cardstock. And this is a great option if you don't want to use a ton of ink. So you can print it in the black and white, and I'm going to try to include more of these in my kits because I like the idea of being able to change it depending on the color of your paper. I just adore this kit, the way that it came out. It's actually for a custom journal. I started creating it and just gathering pieces, curating loveliness, and I decided to make it a kit and offer it to all of you. I also wanted to share with you this image that I created. It's a stained glass, or it's supposed to emulate a stained glass window, and I printed this on textured cardstock so you can see like the little dots that you see inside. See how it rubbed off here? The original print is not like this, it's solid. It doesn't have like the little white specks on it. Isn't that so pretty? It's such a dreamy collection, and for me it sparked so much creativity and inspiration, and so I wanted to offer it to you guys. So I hope that you enjoy it, and I can't wait to see how you use the kit. I'll have it listed down below in the description box, but you can always find me on Etsy as Cara Tootie. That's listed right here. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you soon. And before before I let you go, in true Ingrid fashion, I decided to add some more things to the kit. I added these 3 pages, which is actually the same label in 3 different colors, as well as this one. And if you don't already know, all of my kits from now on will be where you can buy the whole kit and it'll be a 30% savings, or you can buy individual packs. So for example, the first set of labels will be 1 pack, and then the second set will be another pack, just in case you just want labels or you just want the ephemera. So I can't wait to hear what you guys think and how you're using this kit. And as always, I thank you so much, and I will see you soon.